This is the fourth quarter. We're going into the fourth quarter of business. In football, we all know that the fourth quarter means you win that fourth quarter, you win that game. This is different. You win the fourth quarter because you're setting up a great first and second quarter. While other people are going to be taking some time off during this fourth quarter, and they're going to be maybe slowing down because, hey, we got Thanksgiving, we got Halloween, we got Christmas, we got all these other things to come about, right? This is the time to double down. You make double the amount of calls that you're supposed to. You say yes to every single appointment that you need to say yes to because you don't know why you're in that meeting. You could be in the meeting to impact their life, or you could be in that meeting because you're going to network through that person to get to ultimately your client. It's your time right now to impact your life. I do not lose sleep over regret. I do not lose sleep over fear. I lose sleep because of how much opportunity is there in front of us. You guys right now have an amazing opportunity to change your life. At your age, the trajectory of where you want to get to. Do not allow anything, anyone, or any obstacle get in your way.